Ln root x minus 2 all over 2 equals x minus x squared over 4. Let's solve this together, guys. First of all, let's multiply both sides by 4. So we have 4 ln root x minus 2 over 2 equals 4 into bracket x minus x squared over 4. Then according to logarithm, this comes as a power. Therefore, we are going to have ln root x minus 2 over 2 to the power of 4 in bracket equals 4x minus 4 times x squared over 4. So 4 cancels 4. And we can rewrite this root as a power. Then we have x minus 2 over 2 to the power of 1 over 2, then times 4. And this equals 4x minus x squared. So we divide this to have 2. Therefore, we have ln into bracket x minus 2 over 2 all squared equals, let us rearrange this and have minus x squared plus 4x. Let us try to eliminate this negative sign by multiplying through by -1, thereby flipping the signs. So we have minus ln x minus 2 over 2 all squared equals x squared minus 4x. Now we are going to be doing something very interesting here. We're going to be adding plus 4 to this side of the equation. To make it balanced, we have to add minus 4 also. Now we can factorize this quadratic term to give us x minus 2 all squared, then minus 4. And that is going to equal minus ln. Separating this power, we have x minus 2 all squared all over 2 squared gives us 4. Then from here we can make use of a brilliant substitution. We can say let x minus 2 all squared equals y. Therefore here we'll be writing this as minus ln y over 4 equals y minus 4. So from here, let us try to eliminate this negative coefficient by multiplying all through by -1. Then we're going to have ln y over 4 equals, the sign flips and we have minus y plus 4. Then applying the law of logarithm here, we can rewrite this as y over 4 equals e to the power of 4 minus y. Then 4 multiplies this term and we have y equals 4 times e to the power of 4 minus y. Then according to indices, let's multiply both sides by e to the power of y. So we have y times e to the power of y equals 4e to the power of 4 minus y times e to the power of y. Then according to law of indices, we had this power and we have 4e to the power of 4 minus y plus y, and that equals y times e to the power of y. So we have minus y cancels plus y. Then we are going to have y times e to the power of y equals 4 e to the power of 4. Then by very direct comparison, we'll see that y equals 4. And let us recall that y is x minus 2 all squared. So I'm going to have x minus 2 all squared equals 4. Then from here we say x minus 2 to the power of 2 minus, we can rewrite 4 as 2 squared equals 0. And now we have a difference of 2 squares. So we have x minus 2 plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2 minus 2 equals 0. Therefore, x plus 0 multiplied by x minus 4 equals 0. Therefore, we find out that x equals 0 or x equals 4. By direct substitution, we find out that x equals 0 is not a valid solution due to the domain restriction of the logarithm function. X equals 4 is the only valid solution.